Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. This is just a quick video for you to show you the location of the transmission fluid dipstick on the Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 through 2020, and of course also applies to the Chrysler Town Country in the same age range. So let's have a look where it is. So if you look at the gap in between your engine cover and your battery, just look down into the engine and you'll see this little plastic cap. Hopefully you can see that okay on the video, just there. And that plastic cap is on the end of the dipstick tube, so you can just see it there. And that is the dipstick location for your transmission fluid. So here's the cap removed. It does just screw into place. As you can see, it's actually got a thread on it, so just unscrew it in the normal manner and that will pop off. You can see on the top there, for dealer use only. Now what you would expect to normally find when you pull this out is a dipstick attached to the end of it, a standard metal dipstick, just like your oil dipstick. As we can see, this has nothing whatsoever. So to measure the level of your oil, you've got a couple of options. You can either buy a dedicated transmission fluid dipstick, and they're quite expensive, $25 to $35 or more. Or there is a workaround that can be done on these using your standard oil dipstick. And we're producing a video on that, so if that's of interest to you, we'll add a link below this video. Just scroll down to the info section below and we'll add a link for you there. But that is the location of the dipstick port for the Grand Caravan 2008 through 2020. Thanks for watching, we'll see you again.